Hubei Shinshan Rui Building Material Co. Limited mainly produces aluminum curtain wall and customized sheet. They sold their products all across the China, as well as to other countries like Togo, Nigeria, UAE. Reegao's coil-fed laser line has been installed here in June 2021, which helps Shinshan Rui better developed fear automation and informatization. Program writing is more easier and faster. We need 2 to 3 days to write a 1,000 square meters program, from numbering the drawing to nesting. Now only 20 minutes needed to input into the machine. One of our order may uses thousands meters of material and hundreds of drawings inside and even more. We can input all drawings into system one time orderly, without any wrong, as long as we number the CAD drawings. Then all the drawings will be input into laser CNC automatically. In before time we need to manually do it one by one drawing. Beside, we also need to program the punching, hence one by one cut, especially every micro joint part. Time saving will due to such 2 parts. Our low degree workers used punching machine before, but they can well use the coil fed line, so we got a higher efficiency. Reegao line can nestling very long material. Meanwhile, the punching machine can only accept 2 to 3 meters long, especially once longer than 4 meters. The material on it will not straight, which need clamps to adjust, but the Reegao's line doesn't need such adjust, so we now have higher cutting accuracy and material usage rate. Moreover, for special shape drawings, the CNC can automatically nests them into blanking area. For example, the yield of triangle and parallelogram has been increased by 5% than before. Lastly, we can nesting different odors together. For example, we use 1,300 mm width coil to progress 1,258 mm width workpiece. But in other order, we need to cut the 30 to 40 mm strip, so we can process them within one coil. Then the waste will be as less as possible. Laser marking with super long nesting means much higher work efficiency. Before, without marking function, we need to print a sheet to tell the worker. This shape of workpiece is no dot 1. That shape is no dot 2. Which is easy to make wrong labels, because some drawings look similar. So the next portions may wrong too. Now we only need to see the mark on the workpieces, which marked while cutting. If the bending machines do something wrong, the laser cutting can say no wrong here at all. In before time, the punching machines may say, there is wrong labeled in programming, like made number 1 as number 11. But now the laser cutters can say, there is no wrong here at all, because automatic programming will never made errors that human easy to make. As long as wrong in drawings input, the nested program will be no wrong. In before time, we used punching machine. 2 worker needed to operate the machine, so our 2 punching machines need 4 workers. Now we have coil-fed line, which can processes the material as 2 punching machines, but only toe worker needed. Means we saved 50% labor cost from 4 to 2 workers.